I'm going to show you how you can use Agentforce to help your testing team create test data within your org. So here I have an Agentforce Copilot open, and I'm going to give it a prompt to create test data. Create 3 test accounts, and for each account, create 3 test contact records for them, period. The names of the accounts should be random and sound like pizza restaurants, period. So now it is processing. Gotta tell it to stop. It's doing its thing. So it created the records. Maybe I say, show me the records you just created. So those are the ones. So here's the 3 new accounts. If I go into Papa's Pizzeria, I can see the 3 contacts that it created. So out of the box, Agentforce doesn't have a way to insert new records. So the way that I made this work was by creating a flow that lets you then expose that as an action and then created a topic that calls the action. So I can show you what that looks like. I'll start with the flow. And actually I created 2 flows, one for account, one for contact. So it is create account, and it's very simple flow, 2 steps. One is to create an account, and it just takes in the name. I don't have it setting any other values. And then it sets the response to give it the record ID that it used, and then just a message to say that the account was created. That was the text that it showed to the user after each one. The other one is the contact, and it's just as simple. It just has more inputs. So these are the fields that it's supporting right now. If I look at these fields, the only thing important to note is that they're marked as input. So it's available for input. And then in the descriptions of these, I try to be very descriptive about what the input field is so that the AI knows like what it should pass into it. From there, I just created a topic with those I'll show you what it looks like to create the asset. So inside of the assets first, you can go under actions and you can create an agent action flow, and then you can give it the one that you created. So I've already done that. And then if I look at the agent for the employee agent, that's the one that shows in that right-hand panel. Open it in Builder. I created this test data topic, and it has the 2 actions to call it. And this is just out of the box. I didn't even tweak these instructions at all. I basically just created a topic and said, you create test data. And then it just figures it out. So it's super easy. This took 30 minutes. I set this all up in a live stream on my YouTube account. So if you're interested in looking at more of the details of how I set that up, just go ahead and look at my channel and watch the live stream for May 3rd, 2025. And you can watch me do it. It took less than a half hour. So that's it. Tons of applications for Agentforce. Sky's the limit. It's pretty exciting.